Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's look I'm going to be doing this look right here. Very simple, natural, yet radiant and glowing from within kind of look. I know it's gonna be spring, but here in Toronto it's still dry and cold, so our focus for today is mainly skincare. I have dry skin, so I'm gonna be packing on my moisturizer, and also very like minimal and light products, cream products, in exchange for my normal powdery stuff. So if you want to check out this look, please keep watching. Also, the next clip is gonna be my bare face, and I just took a shower, so don't be surprised, okay? So the first product I'm gonna be using is the Ole Henriksen Truth C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is my moisturizer every morning, and I love how it brightens and moisturizes my skin. So the next product is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and Moisturizer in one. Again, I am double, triple moisturizing just because the weather is still dry and cold. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Very appropriate for this look because this one is lightweight, it doesn't cake up, you can build it up as well. So if you actually want to see my full in-depth review on this one, my blog is going to be listed down below. To make it more glowy, since this one has no sparkle or anything like that, I'm going to be adding this custom enhancer drops by Cover FX, and just like 1 or 2 drops just to make it more radiant. Whenever I meet people and see me and they're like, oh my gosh, how do you handle, you know, a toddler and putting makeup on your skin and you're so glowy? Well, honestly, like, this only takes up a couple of minutes for me, and also it's the products that really work. I mean, the stuff that I put on my face, I've tested out many times, and these are the ones that work well for me, especially with my dry skin. I always want to achieve that fresh, glowy look. So next is the concealer. Again, our focus for today is to minimize the products that we put in our skin, because obviously it's gonna look more cakey. You would want something lightweight, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. I love this one. It's lightweight yet covers my dark circles. And then for powder, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder. Okay, once that's done, you kind of want to let that sink in, and we are going to go ahead and do our eyebrows. So I'm just going to do that on the side, and we are going to go back to our face once again. So again, to achieve a more glowy kind of look, you want your products to be minimal, and if not minimal, you want it to be more cream. It actually looks more natural. So before we head to the eyes, I'm going to be putting this strobing stick, and this one is from Maybelline. It's just an illuminator. Put that at the high points of my face. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm gonna give it a little bit of dimension. So I'm gonna go over my crease with this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula that I'm gonna be using as an eyeshadow. And I'm also gonna be putting it at the bottom of the eye. Then the next one would be this Tarte Chrome Paint Pot, Shadow Paint Pot. Again, it's a cream eyeshadow. It will definitely brighten up your eyes as well. So you just mainly put that at the center of the eye and pat it on. It also balances out our creams that we put all over the face to make it look glowy. And then lastly, I still wanna give it a little bit of depth, and I'm going to be using a palette. Just gonna be grabbing a darker shade, which is this one right here, and it's called Hot Fudge, and just lightly go over it as a eyeliner and smudge it at the top, again to give it a little bit of dimension and make your eyes look bigger. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes, put some natural lashes on, and then move on to the rest of the face, then the lips. Okay, so for my contour, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha once again, and then to bronze, I will be using the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer Waterproof Bronzing Powder, and it actually looks like this. and has gold flecks in it, which is nice to kind of add it to the glowy skin. So I'm actually not gonna contour much, just my nose and here. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Dream Mousse blush in Soft Plum. You just use your finger and tap it at the apples of your cheeks. Okay, so either you can stop here or you can put a highlighter still. For me, I would, just so, you know, to really enhance the glow. So I'm actually gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter and put that at the high points of my face to go over the illuminating stick earlier. Okay, so lastly for the lip, I'm gonna be putting on a lip liner, and it's the NYX Peekaboo Neutral, and then on top of it I'm going to be putting a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is called Vintage. And that is it for this video for today. If you like this look, please hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And again, always remember, whatever today brings, always find joy. Up until the next video, bye.